Language. 1. Listen and repeat, paying attention to the stress patterns.
Increase, increase. Decrease, decrease. Perfect, perfect. Present, present. Import, import. Export, export. Protest, protest. Object, object. Rebel, rebel. Contrast, contrast.
2. Listen to the sentences and practice saying them correctly. Pay attention to the stress pattern of the underlined words.
1. There is an increase in the number of young people in Vietnam who marry later in life.
2. In Vietnam, guests often give money as a wedding present to the newly married couple on their wedding day.
3. In big cities, the birth rate has decreased over the past few years.
4. In reality, it is difficult to meet the perfect life partner.